What's up, you guys? It's Christian with Prima Mobile Detailing out here in Omaha, Nebraska. Today we're going to do a little before and after transformational headlight restoration video for you guys on my wife's car. Going to bless her with some headlight restoration for free from the Huz, and then give you guys a nice little transformation video that you guys can just sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions for future content, leave it down below. And yeah, excited for you guys to see this. Let's get into it. First glance at these headlights. They look oxidized, they look yellow, they got some bug guts on them. This is pretty much our standard in Omaha. The good part is that this is still savable, so we'll be able to remove all of the oxidation, all of the yellowing, and get the headlights completely cleared up. The only time that you would probably have to go buy new headlights is if the inside has oxidation or inside has anything that's built up that you can't reach. Even then, sometimes people will rip out the lights and do all that, but as a DIY or a professional detailer, that's kind of a waste of time. You want to just go straight to headlight restoration or get that replaced if it's on the inside. So my main goal for this headlight is to really get all of this yellow up here off and sand down the rest of the oxidation all throughout the headlight, get the bug guts off, and getting everything kind of cleaned up and ready for our polishing to get this fully restored and back in its normal clarity. A nice little perk of getting your headlights restored too is you get better light at night when you're using your headlights, which is always important. So oxidation is this right here. It's got this foggy tint to it. Like if you see down here, it's a little bit more clear, not as damaged with oxidation, so you can see through it really easily. Whereas up here, it's extremely foggy. That's considered oxidation, or like yellowing or hazing, people say. You can even see the side-by-side right here where it stopped oxidizing. Maybe this spot just doesn't get as much sun. Yeah, that's kind of what we're trying to clean up and clear up. So it's nice and clear again. So as I was sanding down the headlights and I'm clearing out some of the oxidation on the outside, it is gonna start revealing what's on the inside. And you can see right here, it's kind of hard to see, and it's probably hard to tell that it's on the inside, but this right here can't get fixed from me because it's inside the headlight. Overall, the headlights are still gonna look awesome, but unfortunately, if this is something that bothers you, you would have to get new headlights for that because that's on the inside of the plastic. The biggest challenge that I've noticed over the last few years, doing headlight restoration only becomes hard when you don't have a polish gun. That definitely helps. And then not really knowing how long to sand for on each headlight because every headlight's different. I did find though that if you at least do a couple minutes with each paper, you're good. So we're getting to the last steps here. Right before we do the polish, I want to look at it and see if I need to go in any more with the sandpaper. And one way to kind of indicate if that's something we need to do is by seeing the clarity before I do any polishing. It looks pretty clear to me. Obviously it's still got hazing, but that's what you want. It needs to look hazy, but also no longer yellow or hard to see in those areas we showed you earlier. So now you can see a little bit in there. Once you do your polish and your ceramic coating or your clear coat, it's gonna look crystal clear, which is what I'm gonna do right now. After looking at it with the polishing being done, I'm really excited to see what the results are gonna be. You can already see tons of clarity, but I really wanted to get that crystal clear look, so I'm gonna go in one more time with a step 2. You don't have to do this, but this is my wife's car, so we're gonna do that for her, and then we'll ceramic coat it. So now we're on to my favorite step, which is putting the ceramic coating on. But you guys can already see a huge difference. It looks really awesome, already really crystal clear. Now we need to protect it, and this will also add a little bit more clarity just to top it all off. And then we can show you guys some B-roll on that. And yeah, I'll go ahead and finish it up. all wrapped up. Here's the headlight, guys. Take a look. All that yellowing we saw before is now gone. All the hazing, all the oxidation is now gone. Like I said, we still will have anything internal not completely gone because that's something that I can't touch, but still really awesome and dramatic finish. Really happy. Hope my wife likes it. I have to do the other headlight now, so I'll go ahead and get that going. Okay, you guys, we are all finished up with the headlight restoration. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do the transformation on these headlights for my wife. I really like the way they looked, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do these headlights look restored, or do they look the same as before? Or yeah, any comments you guys have, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.